Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make some non-random, randomish movement in your bass lines. And this applies to trance, psytrance, and anything with like a driving bass line. So let's make one right here. So you have a kick, and we're going to drop in a bass line. So I'll just create a MIDI clip, get a Serum in there, basic Serum, double click there, and let's get a G. Well, let's set it to 16ths actually, and we'll just make a driving basic thing here. It's all good. It's all fun, and then I'll have these these notes a little bit short. This is what it sounds like. All right, so there's that. Let's get a filter on there, and then an envelope on that filter, and then we'll bring that down. Let's bring it up one. Keep it down. Okay, the reason why it sounds funny is because the phase is at random. So in this video we're going to be playing around with the phase of everything. Right, so the phase dictates where the start of the waveform is played. So that yellow line there dictates where the waveform will start. So at random, it'll start at any point of the highlighted area. So it'll just pick a random phase, start point, and play from there. And you get a little bit of weirdness going on there. So I take it all the way off random, and then I just have it start right at the beginning of the duty cycle. Right? So from here, I'm going to make, I'm going to engage oscillator B, make sure that's set to the filter, bring the randomness of that down as well. No, I'm going to leave the randomness the way it is. So the theory is this will play and start at the exact same point, and then this will play, I'll have it an octave up, at any random point. So we get like a moving bass sound like this. Right, you notice how that's a random? If I turn off the random, it sounds like that. It's just two saw waves stacked up on each other. But if I select the random, if I move the random all the way up, it'll pick a random point. So what if I chose and I moved the phase of this around as it played? You can do that, and it sounds actually pretty cool. And it's a way to add some really neat little movement situations in your sound. So make sure my phase is selected, go to automation, and you'll see B phase. So let's hit B on the keyboard to draw it in, and I'll just do that, like so, and just draw that in. What does that sound like? Yeah, like that. Alright, so there's that. That sounds pretty cool. And let's just add an LFO tool just to see what it sounds like. And there you have it. You have a little bit of movement going on there, and we're just modulating the phase. Not modulating. We are automating the phase, and yeah, it's just, you get the best of both worlds. You get kind of an organic voice stacking, but then you have a lot more control over it. And you can do more than that. You can do all sorts of things. I'll just go back to that. You can increase it, decrease it, and maybe have like a bit of a sidechainy movement thing going on here. I'd like to see what that sounds like. Right, and you can completely change the vibe of the track that you're working on, like so, and make it just adds to your rhythm. Just adds to it. We can kind of invert it. This kind of thing going on here. And you can do all sorts of stuff. I tend to like this as more driving trancey. There's our automation, right? And that's just the one parameter, and you get a big effect. And yeah, it's just using things that you wouldn't normally think of using. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned stuff. Take care and have a good one.